How to fix portrait mode not working on your iPhone camera. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix portrait mode not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, just open up your settings. After you open your settings, just scroll down and tap on camera. After you're there, tap on preserve settings. Now right here, make sure the camera mode is turned off. After you've turned this off, just scroll down till you see portrait zoom option. Now make sure that you've turned that option on. After you've done that, go back to camera, scroll down and just deselect your grid option. Now after you've done that, go back and check if your camera is working with the portrait mode. Now if that's not working, just go to general and check for software update. If you have any software update available, just update it. And even after that it does not work, just go to general again, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all of your settings. Now this should basically fix your problem, but if it does not, you can simply restart your iPhone and it will fix your problem. So that is how you fix portrait mode not working on your iPhone camera. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video helped, and if it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.